Okay, hi Year 10. We are looking at finding missing sides using the trig ratios. So if you remember from yesterday, trig ratios are sine, cos, tan. Using the different sides of a right angle triangle depending on where the angle is. Okay, so let's do an example question of this. So, very importantly, if there isn't a diagram drawn, I would always draw a diagram, especially for the questions you've got set in the worksheet. There's some without diagrams, draw the diagram. So often it is a ladder leaning against a wall or something like that, and you create the right angle triangle here at the wall, and therefore you can use right angle trigonometry for it using sine, cos, and tan. Alright, so let's look at two examples. First example, we're looking for this length of side A. We're given this side 12 and 50 degrees as a angle. So, first step is always label the sides of the triangle. What two sides do I have? This side is unmarked, so I'm not going to use it. So these two sides, let's call them there. This side is opposite because it's directly opposite the right angle, or sorry, the angle we are dealing with. This side is the adjacent side because it's alongside the angle we are dealing with. We do not have the hypotenuse, we just have opposite and adjacent. Now we refer back to our sine, cos, and tan. Sine, cos, tan. Which one was opposite and adjacent in it? Well, sine has opposite and hypotenuse, so it's not sine. Cos has adjacent and hypotenuse, so it's not cos. Tan has opposite and adjacent, so bingo. This one is the one we will use. And how do we use it? So step 1 was label the sides. Now step 2 was to pick sine, cos, or tan. Step 3 now is to solve. So the tan of the angle, 50 degrees, is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. So opposite divided by the adjacent. So you've set up this equation. Now, tan 50 can be got from calculator. It's going to give us a decimal answer. Tan 50 is 1.19. And that is equal to A divided by 12. So A divided by 12 is 1.19, therefore A must be 12 times 1.19. Okay? So multiplying that, 12, and I get around 14.3 centimeters. So for that first one, 14.3 centimeters is A. Alright, so let's go through those steps for the second question here. First of all, I need to figure out which sides I'm dealing with. So I look at the right angle triangle. It's a little bit weird because it's kind of upside down. The same things apply. What sides will have? Well, let's look at, across from the angle, directly across from the angle we know is 10 centimeters. So that is opposite side. Now, which one is x? Well, it's across from the hypotenuse, or from the right angle, so it is the hypotenuse. So I have hypotenuse and opposite. Which one do I use? Sine. Opposite, hypotenuse. Opposite, hypotenuse. Okay, so let's construct our ratio. Sine of 70 degrees is equal to 10, the opposite side, divided by x, the hypotenuse. Don't always put the x on top. It's not necessarily on top. It is where it's supposed to go. Hypotenuse is below the line of the fraction. Okay. Solving this, once again, we turn to our calculator. Sine 70 is equal to 0.939. And that's 10 divided by x. So, how do I manipulate this so I know what x is? Well, if I multiply both sides by x times this, and x times this, x will cancel each other out. And now I divide both sides by 0.939. That cancels out there, we'll get to it once. So what you really could have just done is what they call cross multiplication. And then just switch the x into 0.903, and then we will get our answer. So 10 divided by 0.903, might need your calculator for that. And you get 10.655. So because this is the hypotenuse, I am expecting a bigger answer than 10. And it is a bigger, not much bigger, but it's bigger than 10, so I'm pretty happy that that is the correct answer. So there's a few steps, so let's recap those steps now. Those steps will help you each time. Remember to follow them, remember to draw a diagram, and ask me if you need any help. Okay, good luck with those.